Key fob not working, and you don't want to open the door manually anymore? Great! Then I'll quickly show you how to replace and put a new battery in your car's fobic remote control. This is being done on a Chrysler 300, but is so similar to other remotes for Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. First, remove the actual key from the rest of your keyring by using your fingernail on the plastic switch. Flip it around and look here at the bottom. Grab a small flat tip screwdriver, or like one of those in a smartphone repair kit or eyeglass repair kit. Pry it up by the edge, then lift it up with your fingertips. I'll show you the battery in a second. Pretty basic circuit board. Next, use your flat tip and pry out the battery. Very simple. If this has helped so far, please hit the like button. Now I'll give you a nice tip. You don't have to use a CR2032 battery, which is the factory type. However, you can actually use a CR2025 battery instead. Both batteries have the same 3 volts. The factory battery is 3.2 millimeters thick, and the one on the right is 2.5 millimeters thick, which is less than a 1 millimeter difference. So use whichever one you want to, and comment below on which battery you used. I'd really like to know. I'll mention how the smaller or less thicker battery, the CR2025, is doing for me. You can check that out in the description below, and I'll also post the tools and batteries I used, so check that out below. Now to reinstall. Put the battery in plus side down. Grab the other cover and snap it into place. It really is that easy and that fast. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and if this video was straight to the point, then please like and subscribe to keep learning new car hacks and tips and tricks. By the way, there are a couple videos you should check out that involve certain models that allow you to self-program your car keys as opposed to going to a dealership. However, a recent safety recall actually disables you from self-programming your remote controls, and they don't tell you that. So anyway, I'll put that in the description below for reference. In fact, there are a ton of really helpful videos on this channel, so check them out.
Hooray! Yes.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day or night.